Hi, as I explained in previous video, we have divided our 3PL WMS application into two parts. One is the client panel, second one is the admin panel. In the client panel, customer can register themselves in our 3PL WMS application and they can do the transaction. So now we will see how our customer will register themselves in our 3PL WMS application. This is the login page. Here we have provided one link called register user. Once we click here, we can able to see the some mandatory field for registering the client. So this first one is the company name. The company name is ACM Fulfillment Services. Address Mumbai. City Mumbai. Zip code 400100. Country India. Phone number 9160383811. Official email ID. We can also use this for the login email ID and the password. After entering all the details, just click the OK button. If everything is correct, system will create one new user. Let us see whether it is created or not. So it created. This is the dashboard. Whatever the whatever the transaction is required for the client panel, okay, everything we have put here. The client is not required more transactions, okay, so he will create the some products, or he can import the some products and he can send the inbound and outbound order request to us, okay, so these all things we have provided and some custom reports. This is the menu and we have divided this menu into the some modules. So the data import from CSV file. So we can import the multiple products at a time by using CSV file, and at the same time we can import the multiple orders like inbound order or outbound order, and we can create products manually also. If the customer want to send any material to our warehouse, okay, he need to create a one request. That request we called as the inbound order, okay, so that inbound order, it will come under the inbound order operations. At the same time, he want to send his material from our warehouse to some X location, okay, so that request we called as the outbound order, so that request we put into the outbound operations module. And he can also search the transaction by typing here. So whatever the related to the product, so that will come here. We just created this user, so that's why he's not able to see any products here. We may have the multiple customers. So what happened, I just created one user called the semsoftwarelab@gmail.com. Okay, so whatever the transaction is created for the this particular customer, he can able to see those transactions only. Now, for example, we have the multiple customer one, customer two, customer three. Okay, customer one created the some transaction. Okay, so the customer one can see their own transaction. At the same time, customer two created some transaction. He can see his own transaction only. Similarly, customer 3 also. So like this, we have restricted the application, and whatever the transaction is created by that particular user, he can able to see that one only. So like this, we have to create the user in our 3PL WMS application.